system as we welcome Emil to the Christian world. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, to formally start today's celebration, we'll be having the welcome address of Pangunang Pananalita of the beautiful mother of the celebrity. Sama naman sa para for Mommy Paula Nikki Flores! Hi mga Pami, good afternoon po.
Welcome everyone sa baptismal na
Ito naman, nagkalat ko sa mo yan.
Thank you very much. Una ako naman po yung pasasalamat sa inyong lahat na dumalo. Yung mga ibang batchmates ko, college friends ko, yung mga friends niya nung high school, friend ko nung high school, best friend ko nung high school nandyan. Thank you sa pagdato. Lahat ng kamag-anak ko, family, thank you very much. And welcome. Hope you enjoy the event. And yun lang. Maging masaya tayong lahat ngayong araw na to.
Alright, so muna sa baba for Mommy Pami Flores! Thank you so much, Ma'am Pami. Job well done. That's how you need to do a welcome address. So, ladies and gentlemen, like what I promised Sir Kevin and Ma'am Pami, tayo po ay nagpako na sa ating lunch time. So, to make this more special for the parents and Emil, it's very important, guys, for your picture together with the celebrant and the parents. And that is why, for our lunch time, as I call your table number, you need to do your picture first. Dito po sa entablado, kayo po iaangat sa stage. And after that, you'll be having your line sa ating pong buffet table provided to us by Kubo Samayan Restaurant and Catering Services. So by the way, kanina po, parents, nagpalaro ako. At kung sino ang muna nakasagot, sila unang kakain. So that starts with table number 4. Table 4, tayo na tayo. Alright, please proceed on stage. Lapit po tayo kay Daddy and Mommy. While they answer the first question, time of birth, 9:38 p.m. Okay? Let's go, table number 4. On stage po, ito po sa gilid ng daan.
Julian, ando na,
There you have it. Don't forget to have your picture. Don't worry, po, each of the people will be called today for your picture together with Emil and the parents. Hello, table number 4. Let's have your photo. Ready? Alright, 1, 2, 3, smile. One more time. Closer, please, closer. How about a walkie shot? Walkie! Alright, thank you so much, number 4. Sure. Okay, alright, ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. One more time. Let's have it, tayo. Ready, 1, 2, 3, smile. 1,